She did not arrive in Hollywood through decades of family fame, yet there was always something undeniably captivating about her presence. With a rare combination of confidence, elegance, and emotional depth, Elizabeth Yu didn't simply step into the entertainment industry hoping to be noticed. She gradually built a reputation as a talented young actress capable of bringing complexity and authenticity to every role. By taking on the iconic role of Princess Azula in Avatar: The Last Airbender, she introduced herself to a global audience and established herself as one of the most promising rising stars of her generation. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on October 6, 2002, in the United States, Elizabeth Yu developed an interest in storytelling and performance from a young age. While many aspiring actors dream of success, she focused on building the skills necessary to thrive in a highly competitive industry. Her early years were shaped by curiosity, creativity, and a determination to pursue opportunities that challenge her as both an artist and an individual. As she entered the world of professional acting, Elizabeth steadily gained experience through television and film projects. Rather than relying on shortcuts, she embraced the gradual process of developing her craft. Casting directors quickly recognized her ability to portray emotionally layered characters, while audiences responded to her natural screen presence and expressive performances. A defining milestone arrived when Netflix selected her to portray Princess Azula in the live-action adaptation of Avatar: The Last Airbender. The role carried enormous expectations due to Azula's legendary status among fans of the original animated series. Intelligent, ambitious, and exceptionally powerful, Azula is one of the franchise's most memorable characters. Elizabeth approached the challenge with dedication, balancing the character's intimidating confidence with the emotional complexity hidden beneath the surface. As the series progressed into its second season, her role became even more significant. Season 2 explores Azula's strategic brilliance, growing influence within the Fire Nation, and increasingly complicated personal struggles. These developments allow Elizabeth to showcase a broader emotional range while bringing depth to a character often defined solely by her strength and ambition. Her portrayal has generated considerable attention from viewers eager to see one of the franchise's most compelling storylines unfold. By 2026, Elizabeth Yu is widely regarded as one of Hollywood's emerging young talents. Industry professionals recognize her professionalism and versatility, while audiences appreciate her ability to bring authenticity to demanding roles. Her career reflects careful growth, built through dedication, preparation, and a willingness to embrace challenging opportunities. Away from the spotlight, Elizabeth maintains a balanced and grounded lifestyle. She values personal development, creative exploration, and maintaining strong connections with family and friends. Despite the demands of an increasingly busy career, she continues to prioritize growth both professionally and personally. Her fashion style reflects modern sophistication with a youthful edge. Whether attending premieres, interviews, or industry events, Elizabeth often chooses elegant contemporary looks that highlight her confidence without appearing overly extravagant. Her growing visibility has also attracted attention from fashion publications and lifestyle media outlets. While public curiosity often extends to her personal relationships, Elizabeth prefers to keep much of her private life away from constant attention. Instead, she focuses on her work, artistic development, and the opportunities ahead. Those who have worked with her frequently describe her as dedicated, respectful, and committed to delivering her best performance on every project. As of 2026, Elizabeth Yu's estimated net worth reflects earnings from television productions, streaming projects, film appearances, endorsements, and other professional ventures. Although still early in her career compared with many established Hollywood stars, her growing popularity suggests significant long-term potential within the entertainment industry. What many fans admire most is her ability to bring emotional nuance to powerful characters. Rather than relying solely on dramatic moments, she creates performances that feel genuine and believable. That authenticity has become one of the defining qualities of her work and a major reason why audiences continue to connect with her performances. Elizabeth Yu's journey continues to evolve with every new role. From a young performer pursuing her passion for acting to portraying one of fantasy television's most iconic characters, her rise reflects discipline, perseverance, and a genuine love for storytelling. As she continues building her career in 2026, she stands as a symbol of the entertainment industry's next generation, talented, focused, and ready for an exciting future. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. He did not come from a family of Hollywood royalty, yet there was always something about him that stood apart. With natural charisma, sharp comedic timing, and an ability to balance confidence with vulnerability, Ian Ousley didn't simply become another young actor on television. He steadily built a reputation as a performer capable of bringing heart, humor, and authenticity to every role. By stepping into the iconic role of Sokka in Avatar, The Last Airbender, he introduced himself to a worldwide audience and became one of the most recognizable young stars of his generation. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on March 28, 2002, in College Station, Texas, United States, Ian Ousley developed an interest in performing from an early age. While many children explored different hobbies, he found himself drawn toward acting and entertainment. Alongside his passion for performing, he also dedicated years to martial arts, earning recognition through competitive training. That combination of discipline, athleticism, and confidence would later become one of his greatest strengths as an actor. His professional journey began with appearances in television productions, gradually gaining experience in front of the camera. Rather than arriving through overnight success, Ian built his career one role at a time, learning from each project while developing a relaxed yet engaging screen presence. His performances in family and teen-oriented television series demonstrated both versatility and reliability, earning him growing attention within the industry. A defining turning point came when he was cast as Sokka in Netflix's live-action adaptation of Avatar, The Last Airbender. Taking on such a beloved character came with enormous expectations from fans around the world. Sokka is known for his humor, intelligence, leadership, and emotional growth, qualities that required much more than simple comedic delivery. Ian approached the challenge with dedication, balancing the character's lighthearted personality with moments of maturity and courage. As the series continued into its second season, his portrayal gained even greater recognition. Season 2 expands Sokka's responsibilities, relationships, and personal development, allowing Ian to showcase a broader emotional range while participating in larger action sequences. His chemistry with fellow cast members and commitment to the source material further strengthened his reputation among audiences. By 2026, Ian Ousley is regarded as one of the promising young actors emerging from the new generation of streaming television. Industry observers recognize his adaptability, directors appreciate his professionalism, and viewers connect with his approachable personality. His career reflects consistent growth rather than sudden fame, supported by careful project selection and continuous improvement. Away from the cameras, Ian maintains an active and balanced lifestyle. Years of martial arts training continue to influence his physical conditioning, discipline, and confidence. Fitness remains an important part of his routine, especially while preparing for physically demanding roles that require stunt work and action choreography. He also enjoys spending time with friends, traveling, and sharing occasional moments from his daily life with fans through social media. His fashion style reflects his personality, modern, casual, and comfortable. Whether attending premieres, promotional events, or interviews, Ian generally favors clean, contemporary looks without appearing overly extravagant. His public image remains approachable, allowing fans to relate to him both on and off-screen. Although public interest often extends to his personal relationships, Ian keeps much of his private life away from constant media attention. Instead of allowing speculation to define his image, he consistently focuses on acting, professional development, and connecting with audiences through his performances. Those who have worked alongside him frequently describe him as hardworking, friendly, and eager to learn from every opportunity. As of 2026, Ian Ousley's estimated net worth reflects earnings from television productions, streaming projects, brand collaborations, public appearances, and other entertainment ventures. While still early in his career compared to many established actors, his growing international popularity suggests significant long-term potential within both television and film. What many fans admire most is his ability to remain genuine despite increasing recognition. Whether delivering Sokka's trademark humor or portraying emotionally meaningful scenes, Ian brings sincerity that resonates with audiences. His willingness to embrace challenging roles while remaining grounded has become one of the defining qualities of his career. Ian Ousley's journey continues to evolve with each new project. From a young performer developing his skills in Texas to portraying one of the most iconic characters in modern fantasy television, his rise reflects determination, discipline, and a genuine passion for storytelling. As he continues building his career in 2026, he stands as one of Hollywood's most promising young talents, focused, adaptable, and prepared for an exciting future. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.